Welcome to Home Decor Ideas. Today, I am going to show you modern patio design, where creativity meets constraint. Have you ever wondered how to craft the perfect patio while working around established elements like shrubs and trees that seem immovable? Well, you're in the right place. In this video, we'll explore the art of designing a patio that harmonizes with nature's existing tapestry. Join us as we turn challenges into inspirations, transforming your outdoor space into a unique haven where design and nature dance in perfect harmony. Let's unlock the secrets of patio design together. As temperatures rise, and the allure of the great outdoors beckons, our focus naturally gravitates towards transforming our living spaces beyond the confines of our homes. With warmer weather comes the opportunity to bask in the sunlight, relishing the joy of preparing and sharing meals amidst the embrace of nature with family and friends. However, the question arises, is your garden ready for the grandeur of outdoor entertaining? If your backyard appears to be yearning for a touch of care or a dash of enchantment, you've landed on the perfect platform. Embark on a visual journey through this curated collection of patio designs, where 51 exquisite ideas await to elevate your alfresco dining and open-air lounge experiences to unparalleled heights. Each concept is a testament to the artistry of outdoor living, offering a plethora of inspiration to rejuvenate your outdoor haven. From the simple elegance of minimalist designs to the opulence of sprawling, intricately planned spaces, these ideas cater to diverse tastes and preferences. Picture a serene patio adorned with tasteful furnishings, creating a harmonious blend of comfort and aesthetics. Imagine vibrant outdoor lounges that beckon guests to unwind under the open sky, or cozy dining nooks that inspire delightful gatherings. This collection encapsulates the essence of outdoor living, presenting innovative ways to infuse personality into your garden oasis. Whether you fancy a rustic charm or a contemporary allure, these patio designs cater to a spectrum of styles. Discover the transformative power of thoughtfully arranged plants, the allure of ambient lighting, and the charm of carefully selected outdoor furniture. Unleash your creativity as you explore the myriad possibilities, envisioning your outdoor space as a canvas awaiting the strokes of your personal design. Designing a patio involves a thoughtful dance between creativity and constraints. Before diving into the world of possibilities, it's essential to acknowledge the elements you cannot alter, such as well-rooted shrubs and towering trees that have claimed their space in your outdoor realm. Instead of viewing these natural fixtures as impediments, consider them as cues to guide and inspire your patio design journey. These steadfast elements, firmly rooted in your garden, serve as both challenges and opportunities. Rather than attempting to uproot or relocate them, harness their presence to lend character and uniqueness to your patio. Let the organic shapes and shades of established shrubs dictate the contours of your outdoor space. Allow the canopy of mature trees to influence the positioning of seating areas, creating natural pockets of shade for a more comfortable and inviting atmosphere. In essence, these immovable features become integral components of your patio's narrative. Embrace the challenge of working around them, transforming potential limitations into design inspirations. Consider incorporating seating arrangements that complement the existing flora, providing cozy corners beneath the branches or allowing glimpses of blossoms through carefully placed openings. Furthermore, the immutability of certain elements invites innovative solutions. Explore the interplay between man-made structures and nature, finding harmony in the coexistence of your patio design and the established greenery. Integrate built-in planters or raised flower beds that seamlessly merge with the surrounding landscape, enhancing the overall aesthetic while preserving the authenticity of your outdoor space. In conclusion, the key to a successful patio design lies in embracing the non-negotiable elements of your garden. Instead of viewing them as hindrances, consider them as catalysts for creativity. Let the established shrubs and trees become guiding forces, influencing the layout, shaping, and ambience of your new outdoor haven. In this dance between the natural and the designed, discover the art of coexistence and transform your patio into a harmonious blend of man-made elegance and nature's enduring beauty. As the warmer months approach, Seize the opportunity to reimagine your outdoor haven. Let this collection of 51 patio design ideas serve as your guide and muse, inspiring you to craft a space where the beauty of nature harmonizes with the sophistication of design. Elevate your al fresco experiences